In this lesson, we're going to be looking at a common error you might encounter when opening an SSH terminal connection in Remote Desktop Manager. This error will often happen when opening SSH terminal sessions, and the prompt will say an unexpected error has occurred, error code SSH fail no match, unable to find a matching algorithm with the SSH server. It will then proceed to list all of the matching algorithms that the SSH connection is looking for. This error occurs when Remote Desktop Manager and the SSH server cannot agree on a common encryption or key exchange algorithm. Remote Desktop Manager includes a selection of supported algorithms for the SSH session type. Unsecured algorithms are not enabled by default. For security reasons, it's recommended to verify which algorithms are enabled directly on the SSH server before making changes in Remote Desktop Manager. Let's start with the local solution for a single entry. In Remote Desktop Manager, you'll want to right-click on the SSH terminal entry and then edit the entry. Once you're in the properties, we're going to want to go all the way to advanced and then select algorithm support. Now I've already set it to custom. And once you do, you'll be able to select the ellipses right here. Selecting the ellipses will then open up another prompt that gives you the cipher algorithms, host key algorithms, KEX algorithms, and MAC algorithms. Now here you'll be able to select simply by checking whatever it is you need, and keep in mind that you'll know what to select if you list down whatever it is that the error message is asking for. So oftentimes the error message will say, hey, I'm looking for this algorithm and I can't find it. And so this is where you would then check that algorithm within this prompt. Once you've selected your algorithms, click on select and save. And from there, you should be able to launch the session and then not actually have the error appear. It should be able to connect right away. Now, if you'd rather do this globally, say for whatever reason, all of your SSH terminals require the same algorithm that isn't checked by default, then you can go to File, Settings, Entry Types, Sessions, Terminal, and then Algorithm Support here. Now here you'll be able to, once again, select whatever algorithms it is that you need and check them. And then once they've been enabled by checking them, you can click Save. And again, you'll be able to then launch whatever SSH session has been affected by this error to confirm whether or not the actual algorithm has been enabled and is allowing you to connect. Now keep in mind, it might be necessary to restart Remote Desktop Manager when you make changes globally or to an actual entry. And if for whatever reason restarting the application still doesn't work, then I would highly recommend that you would contact our support team at service@devolutions.net. If you have further questions, feel free to consult the documentation and knowledge base articles for more detailed guidance.